Okay, so now we've reached the end of Module 4. Let's just take a quick look at a summary of what we've covered in this particular section. And obviously we've now created our CRUD application. And we've taken a look at thin API controllers. And our API controllers are going to stay really thin. They're going to have no knowledge about what goes on in our application project. Certainly not going to have any knowledge about our database or the data context or entity framework. They're just going to be responsible for receiving and responding to HTTP requests. We also seeded some more data in our database, and we looked at a slightly different approach to doing this. But the nice thing about the way that we've created this seed data is that if we ever want to refresh our database and we've got some bad data in there and we just want to start clean, then all we need to do is drop our database and then just restart our application, and boom, we have nice clean data back in our database. So we also added some more migrations, and then we took a look at Mediator and the CQRS and Mediator pattern. And we've now integrated this into our application, and this allows us to have those thin API controllers, and all of our business logic is taking place in our application project now. And because each handler is responsible for its own particular piece of logic, that means it's very easy to update our code and make changes, and as long as we take the same object in and return the same object out, the way that we do the logic inside our handlers can be updated independently of anything else. So it's a nice flexible pattern to use. And what we're going to take a look at next is the React side of what we've done now, so that we can actually see our application in our browser.